Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can open a link in the Facebook app instead of opening it in the browser on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of the video. So let's get down to our topic. And first of all, please open up Facebook. And then in the bottom right corner, go to the menu section. And now in the top right corner, click on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. Next, you'll need to scroll down a little bit and find the section called Media. And now here also, scroll down. And you'll be able to find a subsection called Links. And you can see that there's an option here called Open External Browser. So when you have this feature enabled, then all the links in the Facebook app will open in external browsers. If you don't want this to happen, if you want all links to open in Facebook, then you just need to toggle the button opposite to this function, which will help you solve your problem. Friends, in this very simple way you can open any link in Facebook app instead of opening it in browser on your iPhone. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and see you soon.